हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है x टाइम्स y टाइम्स z प्लस x दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 10 एंड x टाइम्स y टाइम्स z प्लस y टाइम्स z दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 12 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x पावर 4 टाइम्स y स्क्वायर टाइम्स z स्क्वायर। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। हियर लेट्स से दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन सेकंड। Look carefully this equation first. X is common. If we take x is common, then y times z plus 1 and this is equals to 10. And look carefully equation second. Here y times z is common. If we take y times z is common, then here x plus 1 and this is equals to 12. Now if we multiplied both the equations, then in left hand side we have x times y times z plus 1 times y times z times x plus 1 and this is equals to 10 times 12, that is 120. Now x times y times z and here y times z plus 1 times x plus 1 and this is equals to 120. Here x times y times z, this y times z is multiplied by x, then we get x times y times z plus y times z is multiplied by 1, then we get y times z plus 1 is multiplied by x, then we get x, and 1 is multiplied by 1, then we get 1, and this is equals to 120. Now this expression x times y times z, look carefully, x times y times z plus y times z, that is 12. So this is replaced by 12 plus x plus 1 and this is equals to 120. Now x times y times z, 12 plus 1 13 plus x and this is equals to 120. Here we know that value of x times y times z plus x, this is equals to 10, and here x times y times z. Now x times y times z, here 13 plus x. First if we add here x times y times z and then subtract x times y times z and this is equals to 120. Now value of this expression is 10. Then here x times y times z, 13 plus 10, that is 23, minus x times y times z and this is equals to 120. Now if we put x times y times z, this is equals to t. Then this expression is replaced by t and here 23 minus t and this is equals to 120. If this t is multiplied by 23 minus t, then we get 23 times t minus t is multiplied by t, then we get t square and this is equals to 120. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get t square minus 23 times t plus 120. Now here this is quadratic equation in terms of t, so first we will factorize this quadratic equation by using middle term split and then find out the value of t. So here t square minus 23 times t is same as 15 times t minus 8 times t plus 120 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully this expression t square minus 15 times t. Here if we take common t, then t minus 15, and here look carefully, if we common 8, then here t minus 15 and this is equals to 0. Now here t minus 15 is common, so if we take t minus 15 is common, then here t minus 8 and this is equals to 0. Here product of two numbers is 0, either t minus 15 is equals to 0 or t minus 8 this is equals to 0. So here value of t is 15 and here value of t is 8, and we know that t is x times y times z. So here t is replaced by x times y times z, this is equals to 15, and here this t is replaced by x times y times z, then x times y times z, this is equals to 8. Now let's say this is case first and this is case second. First we will solve this case first. If x times y times z, this is equals to 15. By using this, if we take x times y times z, this is equals to 15, and we will find out the value of x power 4 times y square times z square. So here we will find out the value of x power 4 times y square times z square. Now we know that it is given x times y times z plus x, this is equals to 10. x times y times z plus x, this is equals to 10. We know that value of x times y times z is 15. So this expression is 15 plus x and this is equals to 10. Then value of x is 10 minus 15, that is minus 5. And x times y times z, this is equals to 15. And we know that x is equals to minus 5. If this x is replaced by minus 5 and y times z, this is equals to 15, and if divide both sides minus 5, then we get y times z, this is equals to minus 3. And here we will find out the value of x power 4, and y square z square is same as yz times square. Then value of x is minus 5 power 4, y times z, that is minus 3. Minus 4 square, that is 625, multiplied by minus 3 square, that is 9. 625 is multiplied by 9. 9 5 25, 9 5 45, 5 carry 4, and 9 2s 18, 4 22, 2 carry 2, 9 6 54, 2 56. So if 625 is multiplied by 9, then we get 5625. So in this first case, we have value of this expression is 5625. Now let us consider case second. Case second, that is x times y times z, this is equals to 8. And here we know that value of x times y, we have x times y times z plus x, this is equals to 10. X times y times z plus x, this is equals to 10. If x times y times z is replaced by 8, then value of x is 2. And if this x is replaced by 2, then 2 times y times z, this is equals to 8, and value of y times z, this is equals to 4. And we know that we will find out the value of this expression, that is x power 4 times y square times z square. X power 4 times y square times z square. Then here x power 4 y square z square is same as y times z square. X, we know that value of x is 2. So 2 power 4 y times z, that is 4 power 2. 2 power 4, that is 16 times 4 power 2, that is 16. And 16 times 16, that is 256. So value of this expression is 5625 or 256. I hope students you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.